Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some great and powerful machines for you to enjoy. You'll love to see the railway crane with a 225 metric ton lifting capacity. First up, we have the EA600 from VENTRAC. This equipment is designed to agitate and loosen the soil under the sod without damaging it. It improves your grass on two levels. The heavy-duty tines aerate at a rate of 9 holes per square foot, while the rotating bar vibrates the tines to aid in breaking up dirt and loosening the roots under the surface, allowing for increased water and oxygen absorption. Each foot produces 97 holes per square meter, and the hole size is determined by drive speed. The slower the drive speed, the bigger the hole. It works best on dry, unirrigated soil, leaving a core hole and splitting the subsoil. Next is the KY400 trencher, which is capable of trenching up to 40 inches in depth with a 5.5 inch wide cut. It is designed with dual push and pull cylinders to assure positive boom control for digging, boom lift, and transport. The Terminator/Cup combo chain offers carbide cutting tips for excellent cutting performance in a variety of soil conditions. Digging teeth bolt onto the chain for easy replacement. Using a VENTRAC 4000 series tractor, this trenching unit can be maneuvered into hard-to-reach locations without damaging the turf. Next, we have the Cobra 593. It's a 3-axle chipper truck built by JENZ GmbH. It measures 7.9 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, and 4 meters high, making it perfect to go by any road. The machine has an 820mm wide grinder blade that shreds timber with a diameter of up to 560mm. This makes it ideal for medium to large jobs. From its cozy rotatable cabin, the operator enjoys the comforts of driving and controlling the machine. Moreover, it features a boom arm for handling timber, outriggers for balance and support, and a discharge spout. In this clip, we are showing you an enormous stone that is believed to be 1 billion years old. It was 5.8 meters long, 4.9 meters wide, and 2.9 meters high, and its safe transportation through fields was a huge challenge. The Gertsen company took the responsibility and loaded this 100 to 140 ton heavy freight on an 18-axle SPMT. They had to lay steel plates for a distance of 370 meters. Big challenge for transporters was a 90-degree bend and an exit onto a country road. With the help of the front steering mode and diagonal driving, the 29.3 meter long combination eased itself into the lane with pinpoint precision. Next we have the BTE-313, which has been designed to clean culvert. Unlike conventional cleaning equipment, it does not need water or vacuum assistance and is capable of cleaning culverts up to 150 feet in length. Its multiple auger pieces effectively clean clogged culverts. The drive box has a sealed drive with high torque and low speed that can function under harsh environments, even underwater if required. For precise work, the stick-mounted roto-tilt system allows 360 degrees of rotation and 40 degrees of tilt. Next, we have the forestry disc mulcher, which can be mounted on skid steers. It is available in two cutting widths, 36 inches and 48 inches. Both the periphery and bottom of this blade are equipped with 4-point hardened steel teeth, allowing it to cut cleanly and quickly like a chainsaw, as well as shred wood finely for decomposition. It is perfect for slopes, waterways, railways, and other hard-to-reach areas that require vegetation management. Patented planer knives are placed in the disc's center, eliminating any dead zones. Next we have the ML1812R and the ML1612R, which are unique multi-purpose cranes designed to load freight directly into containers. The ML1612R has a lifting capacity of 16 tons, while the ML1812R has an 18-ton capacity. Both are intended to operate efficiently in congested areas such as warehouses and cargo ships. Diverse mech lift attachments expand the possibilities for multi-purpose usage of a single machine. These hoist and stack 20-foot containers from fork pockets. A hydraulically adjustable cabin provides an unobstructed view even while handling large objects. Last but not least, we have the Multi-Tasker. It is a multi-purpose machine that is used for accident recovery, bridge repair, and rail track construction. Its telescopic boom provides unparalleled operating versatility. Telescoping allows loads to be positioned freely, even beneath the overhead catenary, with the boom in the horizontal position. It can turn and uplift superstructures, such as a derrick crane, while hoisting. By combining the slewing motions of the superstructure with the hook, you can maneuver around obstructions such as masts or poles. The lifting capability of these range from 25 to 225 metric tons, depending on the model you choose. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you check out one of these two. Feel free to like and subscribe, it's always a big help to us. And with that, we'll see you next time.